Hi everyone, so for today's vlog I am going to do an unboxing and review of this camcorder. So the brand is, it's a Komery camcorder for YouTube. It has 4K 56 megapixel touchscreen night vision HD recorder, Wi-Fi video camera. So let's begin, shall we? So let's open this and see what's inside. Okay. The moment we open it, it says, please format the memory card before using this video camera camcorder. So yeah, it's right there. So what's inside the box? What's inside the box is we have user manual, a remote, HD cable, charger, a white cloth, plug for the charger. It has a memory card reader, I guess, for you to format the memory card. The camera itself. Yep, that's what's inside the box. So let's see the camera. So the camera looks like that. That's the top button. Looks like that. It has like buttons. It's automatic. The moment you open it, it opens by itself. So it has the power button, the IR, which is for the lights, menu, display, and mode. So this is what the mode looks like. Twist it. In the mode, you have that. So this camcorder is a 56 megapixel. It's 4K and it has a Wi-Fi capability, so you could control the camera by using the Wi-Fi. And I'll show you guys how to set up the Wi-Fi. So now I'm gonna set it up with Wi-Fi, but before we could set it up, we have to download an app first. So yeah, let's download it. So this is how you set your Wi-Fi. I downloaded the app and then you just press the camera, then confirm. Just look for the Wi-Fi address of the camera in here. You just go to Wi-Fi, turn it on, then there would be like SSID. You choose that on your phone. Choose in this case this one, then connect. So it's connected. Back. So now that it's connected, what it do is your phone serve as a like control tool to the camera. So I guess when you're doing like a video or picture and you don't have the remote, you could use your phone if you have a Wi-Fi available. So when I do this, yep, I move the camera. Okay, let's record something. So I'll put I press the recording button. Yep. So, and I'm moving the camera, the camcorder. That's what it do. It's recording it. So yeah, that's how you set up the Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have the remote, you could control the camcorder using your phone, take a pictures, video. As long as you have a Wi-Fi, you could control it in absence of a remote. But anyways, it has a remote, which is pretty nice too. And let's try this. So when I press this camera, it's actually, I think it's taking a picture. Yeah, so I press this. It's the video recorder. And start recording a video, as you could see. And this is like zoom out, nice. Then the menu, as you can see from there. You could change the resolution, the brightness, the color, exposure, and so on. Then there's mode. And there's the light. The pictures. Or whatever we shot. You could also turn off the camera using the remote button, but you could not turn it on with the remote. You turn it on by the power button in here, but the remote you could turn it off. So press off and it's goodbye. So that's it for the remote. It is pretty nice. So right here on top is the zoom in and zoom out function. So when I do this, zoom it in and it's zoom it out. This is like the lights. When it's like night mode, so you could see the light it's on. Pretty nice. So it has a like 4K shot. With 4K shot, I could say that it is pretty nice, because I actually put our blinds down because it's so bright. So I'm just using the room light, and it is really shooting nice, as you could see. Right there. My lovely daughter. FHD 60. Try to turn on the lights. So yeah, try to show you the picture once my pets stand by. So this looks like it's pretty nice. Yep. And that's it. I guess for $117, or around 6,000 pesos, the camera is pretty good. It could take some pretty nice picture and video, and it's really handy. The Wi-Fi connection, the remote. To me, it's like it's worth a buy. And that's for our today's vlog. I hope you enjoy it, and stay tuned